Hi YouTube, today we have 2015 Ford Taurus with no heat on the passengers.
This is hot. Driver side is hot. Passenger side is cold.
Now we're gonna switch by hand and check if it turns to hot to make sure the blend door is working. Okay, first thing we have to do is remove the glove box compartment. We just push those clips out, or we pull the glove box out and it will come out. In this car it's very easy to remove it. Just by pulling back. Now we can see the blend door actuator is the white thing. It got two bolts and they should be 8mm and a connector on the top. So we have a swivel 8mm. We can see one bolt very easy. It's easy to get to it, and the second bolt is on the back, and we may have to remove the door for the cabin air filter. It's got two clips on the side, and you can go ahead and remove that. And if the cabin filter is dirty like this one, it's time to change it too. So that's the cabin air filter door, and you can see it's pretty dirty, so we gotta go ahead and order a new one. Now to get to the second one, we have little access, and the swivel make it easy for us. So we remove the second bolt using an 8mm swivel socket and an extension for sure. It's kind of hard to get to that bolt, but you just make sure you don't lose it. Now there is nothing holding our blend door actuator on the passenger side, so we can pray it out. And next thing, we have to get to the connector. The connector is connected to the blend door actuator, but there is a second connector on that wire that you can see on the top right there. So you have the choice to, if you can get to the connector from the blend door actuator, you can open it from there. Otherwise, you have to put your hand all the way up there and open that connector, and it will come out all the way with the wire. Now we got our blend door actuator out. We want to use this part to make sure our blend door is not broken inside before we replace this door actuator and it's not it. So we're gonna use this piece to turn the door actuator manually and see if there is heat coming out. So by turning it all the way to one side, we should have heat, and by turning it the other way, we should have AC. Right now is on heat. That means that this door is working and it's not broke or anything. So we only need the blend door actuator. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that. We have the new parts right here. You can get from any auto parts store. And this is the box. It's a Dorman, and the part number is 604234 Dorman. Alright, now we remove that piece. We don't need it anymore, and we're gonna install our new door actuator by reversing the procedure. First we put the connector, and then we're gonna replace those screws, or just put the screws back. Putting it back is kind of tricky. You need to get the middle piece in the hole, and after that we're gonna put the screws. To put the screws, we're gonna use this method, piece of paper or anything on the screw, and then the socket from the top, and that's so the screw doesn't keep falling, because you cannot put your hand all the way there. So this way the screw stays there. All right, we go ahead and tie those screws, and then we put back the air cabin air cabin filter door, and we put the glove box together, and we should be done. This is how you change a passenger side blend door on 2015 Ford Taurus, and I'll see you in next video. Please don't forget to subscribe for support and for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in next video.